Homer discovers his phone can film pranks and immediately plans viral donut-fueled mischief for attention. Marge announces surprising mayoral candidacy, worried about Springfield's chaos and family stability tonight, with resolve. Bart smirks, offering prank consulting. Lisa challenges ethical consequences, Sachs case study and thoughtful research. Maggie watches, pacifier squeaks like a chorus, visual gag echoing earlier couch silence in montage. Springfield reacts, Mo puts up prank-proof bar rules while patrons gamble on attention for money. Homer stages bakery ambush at Lard Lad, donut cascade becomes slow-motion cinematic disaster and chaos. Video explodes online, Springfield citizens cheer, shame, and opportunism in quick montage. Mayor Quimby alarmed. Marge canvasses town hall, meeting Selma, Patty, Reverend Lovejoy, and anxious neighborhood watch volunteers today. Homer escalates, prank vans, disguised as Quickie Mart, spray slushies over unsuspecting townspeople and Bart applauds. Lisa organizes ethical debate at Springfield Elementary, rallying students against viral harm and civic duty. Chief Wiggum misinterprets pranks as crime spree, chases Homer across Quickie Mart roof with comedic incompetence. Mayor Quimby demands quiet, but cameras capture his flubbed speech, fueling Marge's campaign ads effectively. Smithers tries to help Burns craft respectable statements. Burns refuses, plotting to buy election again. Homer achieves viral fame, sponsors call. Ned Flanders offers moral guidance and chili for dinner. Bart becomes assistant prank director, invents slingshot camera, emotional pride mixes with mischief and sibling admiration. Visual gag, donuts raining over crusty burger, Marge dodges, camera focuses on worried toddlers meanwhile. Act 2, townspeople imitate Homer, pranks spiral wildly, Lisa fears cultural damage deeply and mobilizes. Marge debates Quimby on town green, emotional center shows genuine policy over spectacle and conviction. Homer wrestles with conscience when prank hurts Mrs. Crabapple's flowers, dough. Becomes sincere and change. Springfield meetings, Apu, Mo, Reverend, Chief, Patty, Selma pick sides causing comedic town council meltdown. Burns funds fake viral stunts, Smithers reluctantly sabotages his employer's darker plan to prevent disaster. Montage, prank escalation, viral riffs, Lisa's PSA, Marge's campaign ad contrast strikingly in emotional montage. Bart feels guilty when Bartley the town mascot slips, Homer pauses, considers fatherhood and legacy. Prank backfires spectacularly at Springfield Gorge, Wiggum, Homer, and townsfolk perform slapstick rescue with style. Act 3 culminates, Marge's sincerity battle spectacle, town votes in spontaneous referendum tonight and emotions soar. Burns attempts ballot buying, Homer interrupts with heartfelt apology to Springfield, trending compassion over viral fame. Community rallies, Ned, Apu, Mo, Krusty, Lisa legally challenge pranks, promoting civic repair and unity. Resolution, Marge wins narrowly, focuses on healing, Homer vows fewer pranks, adopts responsibility and humility. Final gag, Maggie squeezes pacifier, causing confetti machine, entire town laughs, forgiving Homer and music. Family embraces on town hall steps, Marge, Homer, Bart, Lisa, Maggie united, Springfield applauds heartily.